welcome. Today we are going to present one of the most versatile products from our fiber optic line. Today we are going to talk about a fiber optic FTTH box. This box is designed to offer us an efficient and durable solution for our installation. The box is provided in a Ziploc bag that helps to protect it from any potential damage. Once we take it out and get to its interior, we get directly to the guts of the box. This particular box includes two adapters, each equipped with small tabs. These small tabs are specifically designed to help protect the adapters from dust, ensuring they remain clean and functional. And on both sides, it has two tabs that help us access its contents. Once inside, we realize that it comes with the pigtail included, and with its installation kit and two heat shrink sleeves. Whether you work with fusion or quick connections, this comprehensive kit offers you everything you need for a safe, efficient, and quick connection. This fiber optic box is available both on our website and through our authorized distributors. Don't miss the opportunity to upgrade your installations with a product of superior quality. See you next time.